The subject name is electromagnetic theory. In this subject we have to see unit 1. Unit 1 is electrostatics 1. In this electrostatics 1 they give more number of topics oriented electrical field and magnetic field. Among these all are topics, let us see electromagnetic field topic. The electromagnetic field says field produced by moving electric charge, which is called electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic field always combine of an electric field and magnetic field, which is called electromagnetic field. The electric field always having stationary charges, magnetic field always having moving charges, that means current. Next we have to look at the diagrammatical representation of electric field and magnetic field. Electric field creates electric field because the electric field plugging a wire into an outlet creates, but magnetic field are created only. Electric field creates electric field, magnetic field created only when the electric current flows. Those two concepts are main difference between electric field and magnetic field. Next topic is sources of electromagnetic field. In the sources of electromagnetic field has two classification. One is natural sources, another one is man-made sources. Natural sources contains two classification. One is earth magnetic field, another one is lightning. Earth magnetic field says generated by electric current due to the motion of convection current, which is called earth outer core. This magnetic field always the surface range is 25 to 65 micro Tesla. This is earth magnetic field symbol. It has 4 directions. So among those 4 directions, the outer field can be calculated as a magnetic field, which is called earth magnetic field. Next, under the nature of sources, we have to look at the lightning. Lightning is a natural occurring electrostatic discharge. It has 2 electrically charged region. One is atmosphere, another one is ground. Temporarily equalize themselves, causing the instantaneous release of the energy called lightning. Next, man-made source of electromagnetic field. In this man-made electrical sources, we have more number of man-made sources: power lines, electrical wiring, microwave ovens, computers, cell phone and cell phone towers. Sources of EMF in the sense electromagnetic field. Sources of electromagnetic field which high level radiation is ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays. First we have to sense the effect of electromagnetic field. Here the picture is placed to meant by electromagnetic field of towers. So this towers exposed to EMF create increased rate of cancer, brain tumors and other health problems. So this is not affected only by human, it also affect the animals and the plants. So it is very dangerous one. We have to consider this is a danger process. Next we have to see scalar and vector field. Scalar is only has a magnitude, no directions. Scalar only has a magnitude. Scalar there is no direction. Example, mass, electric charges, temperature, distance, etc. Vector has both magnitude and directions. So example of displacement, velocity, magnetic field, etc. Depends those concepts of scalar and vector. We have two clear mathematical explanation of product of the vector quantity. So here, beginning of this product of vector quantity, we have to see a scalar product. Another name of scalar product is dot product. This dot product contains two letters, two mathematical representation letters. One is A, another one is B. So both A and B, by adopting the mathematical calculation, so the scalar product always meant by dot. So A dot B equal to AB cos theta. A vector takes place across the diagonal. B vector takes place as sliding of y-axis. So both vector adopting and occurring some angle deflection. So A dot B equal to AB cos theta. In this vector quantity, we have to represent three axes of direction, and that three axes of direction called base vectors. That base vectors are ax vector, ay vector, az vector. Those three vector quantity are called base vectors. Now we have to take a vector equal to ax base vector into I vector plus ay into j vector plus az into k vector. B vector equal to representation of B, so we make that base equation into B. So bx into I vector plus by into j vector plus bz into k vector. Both equations can be replaced for A dot B. So A dot B equal to, those two vectors are placed here. Now ax vector into bx vector, that is coefficient of I vector can be multiplied, coefficient of j vector can be multiplied, coefficient of k vector can be multiplied of both to A dot B. Now we can get ax dot bx into I vector plus ax into ay into by into j vector, az into bz into k vector plus ax into bx, ax into by, ax into bz vectors. Then ay into bx,